Recently, we're constructing a custom home for an owner that asked for a cast-in-place concrete tub. Something that I haven't done. Sounded like a challenge, and we said, well, let's see what we can do. Did a bunch of research, tried to find somebody else that had done it, didn't really find anything online. Thought about using Gnite and different products. We ended up deciding that we're gonna build our own mold for this tub. So looked into standard slope on the back end of a tub, came up with our mold. We built our mold using MDF plywood. Beveled all of our corners, saw cut some relief joint to get the drainage correct for it. And we had to brace it pretty significantly so that the force of the concrete, when we poured the concrete, that it wouldn't collapse the mold. Got it all ready, got all prepped. We sealed it, sealed the mold. We had already poured a box per se of concrete that was sitting there just prepped. Turned around, we dropped the mold down in there, plumbing stubbed up where it was supposed to go, set the mold, and then we poured the mold. Needed it pretty wet to make sure that everything would go, that it would fully consolidate down underneath, vibrated it, then we cured it. In other words, we filled up the entire tub with water, let it set for 2 weeks, strip it. We'll have a little bit of grind, a little bit of touch-up to do on the concrete tub, but turned out to be a nice product. Probably the biggest concern when we put the mold into the concrete box is that as you pour that concrete, it wants to pop out. The mold wants to pop out of the tub or out of the box, and so we had to ensure that we had enough bracing on it to hold the bathtub mold down into the existing concrete box. We've learned a few things not to do, a few things to do. But yeah, it was neat to have a challenge and do something a little bit different.